Hey everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, this is going to be a vlog of me fraying a pair of my jeans. I will actually be hemming and fraying the jeans, but it's mostly just a fraying of the jeans video. And if you all remember a few videos back, I did a Fashion Nova clothing haul and I tried on two pairs of jeans, which were, both pair were so cute, but they were just absolutely too long for me. So this is one of the pair of jeans that I am going to hem tonight. Now, this is the pair of jeans that had that pretty frayed detail at the bottom. I bought these jeans specifically for the frayed detail, and I was just hoping that the length of the jeans would fit me, but they're actually too long. So what's going to end up happening is I'm going to have to cut the original frayed look off. And when I cut that part off to get the jeans to the length that's right for me, I'm going to attempt to refray the jeans myself. So I may not get the jeans exactly like this, or I might have to wash the jeans after I fray them to get them to look a little bit more like this. But all in all, I'm gonna try to get my jeans to be frayed pretty much as close to this look as I can. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to my channel, watching my video. And if you are a brand new viewer, please consider subscribing to the channel and joining us here on the April Monique channel, okay? Oh, please like this video, leave a comment down below. And if you don't have anything specifically to comment, leave a star or a heart down in the comments to let me know that you were here on the channel, okay? I think it's been like 2 weeks since I last came on YouTube, but I've been taking care of some things with my career, so I just had to put my focus on that for just a little while. I had to focus on what I was trying to do, and I didn't want to feel guilty at the end if I didn't reach my goal. And, you know, I just didn't want to feel that guilt at the end, like, oh, you should have been focused on this at that time, you know? So I know you all will understand, but I really did miss y'all, and I'm so glad to be back. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I already have my pants measured. You all probably noticed this line of demarcation right here at the very beginning of the video when I held these jeans up. So I already have it marked off as to where I want to cut it so far. If I need to cut a little bit more, I'll cut a little bit more, but it's always best to cut a little less. It's best to cut less than cut too much, because once you cut too much, you've kind of messed up, unless you're just going to cut it down to shorts. But that's my plan B. If the frayed look don't come out the way I want it, and I really don't want to try to hem it any other way, then I'm just going to cut these into blue jean shorts for the spring and the summer. But hey, let's hope that the frayed look comes out right. So I have 3 inches marked off so far. And I'm going to go ahead and cut both of the pant legs together. They're both at the same length as each other, and I'm just going to cut all the way across. And I'm going to try to stay along this line as best as I can. This pant leg underneath, I still need to go a little bit further, so I'm going to try to keep everything aligned pretty good the way it is, and I'm just going to continue on. And I'm a little bit off the line, but it's okay, because we wasn't cutting originally we wasn't going to cut too much off anyway. So this looks pretty even right here for the part that I've cut off. Okay. Now, yes, the second piece is a tad bit uneven, but when I fray it, I don't think it's going to be that noticeable. So I'm going to go ahead and try these on to make sure I don't need to cut any more. And if it fits good, then I'll go ahead and come back and we'll start fraying the jeans. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Good news, the jeans are at the perfect length. I'm going to attempt to pull out some string like so. I don't want to rip it out.
It feels so good to be free, to be accepted for who you are and loved no matter what. I don't know if anybody understands what that feels like. No matter what you've been through or where you've been.
All right, everybody, so I did the other pant leg and this is what I have so far. What do you all think? Do it look close to what it looked like before, like with the original Frayed look from Fashion Nova? Does it look close to it? Comment down below and let me know. If you think it don't look close, comment down below. If you have any tips, comment any tips down below as well, okay? Hey y'all, so okay, I decided to clean the Frayed look up a little bit. I did try these on, and when I had the like a lot of this white Frayed at the bottom, it just looked a little bit too distressed like for me. So I just didn't like how it looked. So I cut a lot of the long white pieces off. Of course, you're going to have white thread with the jeans and everything for your Frayed look. But the really long part, I cut that off to make it a little bit shorter. I have a nice little ruffled Frayed, cute little look going on at the bottom. I might put these in the washer and then dry them and then just see what they look like when they come out the wash. And, oh, I see a little spot down here that I need to do. Let me check the other side. The other one is really good. I don't know how I missed this. Hey everybody, so this is April Monique. This is the same pair of jeans, but I did put these jeans in the wash and I washed and dried them. So this is the very next morning. And after washing and drying them, this is what my Frayed look looks like. Wow. Very cute. Really cute. I mean, the look before I washed them was really cute, but let's be realistic. I'm going to wear these. After wearing them, I'm going to wash them. And this is what it looks like. So it looks really cute. It do look similar to the Fashion Nova look. And I love it. I love it. So I just wanted to show you all this. Overall, I do like the way the jeans came out. No, they are not identical to how they arrived from Fashion Nova. But I was not originally going for an identical look to Fashion Nova. I just wanted to get it somewhat similar to it. And in my opinion, the jeans are similar to the way they came from Fashion Nova. So I really like them. And comment down below and let me know what you think of the jeans. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. And I will see you in the next vlog.